In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually import bank transactions into QuickBooks Online using CSV files. If your bank connection is unavailable or you need to bring in historical activity, a CSV import is a reliable way to get those transactions into QuickBooks Online. Before we start, make sure you've exported a clean CSV from your bank. A good CSV typically includes a date column, a description or payee column, and either a single amount column or separate debit and credit columns. Keep the header row, remove any extra totals or blank rows, and use a standard date format like MMDDYYY. This helps QuickBooks read your file without errors and prevents mismatched dates or amounts. Let's jump in. Once you're signed in to QuickBooks Online, look to the left. Navigation. Hover over all apps so the menu fully expands, then hover over accounting to reveal more options. From there, select bank transactions. This takes you to the banking area where you'll see any connected accounts and the tools to bring in data from a file. At the top right of the banking screen, look for the drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to reveal additional actions. From the menu that appears, choose Upload from File. This is the feature specifically designed for CSV or similar bank files and ensures the import flows into the correct place. Next, you'll be prompted to select the type of account you'll upload to. Choose whether the transactions belong to a bank account or a credit card account. Picking the correct type matters because credits and debits are handled differently for bank versus card activity, and it helps QuickBooks place the transactions correctly on your banking dashboard. Now, click Upload from this device. Locate your CSV file on your computer, select it, and confirm. A couple of quick tips here. Make sure the CSV you select is the final version you want to use, and if you've downloaded overlapping dates with what's already in QuickBooks, consider trimming those out in the CSV first to avoid duplicates. Also, avoid special characters like emojis or extra punctuation in the description field, as these can sometimes cause upload issues. After you select your file, QuickBooks will guide you through the on-screen prompts to review what's coming in and confirm the details. Follow those prompts, and once the import completes, your transactions will appear on the Bank Transactions page, ready for review and categorization. That's it. With a properly formatted CSV and the Upload from File tool, you can quickly bring your bank activity into QuickBooks Online when a direct connection isn't an option.